Sige ba? Huwag ka mahiya. Tumarange talaga. Sino ba dito? Stand in front. Sigurado, narinig ninyo, January na ngayon ha, hindi December. Birthday ninyo ngayon? Ngayon? Pero ngayong buwan na to.
Today lang, sir. Sir, today lang, sir? Or January? Today lang, sir?
Bilangin.
Today lang, sir. Ngayong araw lang, sir.
Ito yung may araw na ito. Pero yung...
Birthday ngayong araw.
Yung itong araw na ito dito, pero yung January, ito lahat bilang. Itong araw na ito. Bakit yung nag-birthday ngayon, mga gwapo, yung kayo hindi masyado?
8 yung today ngayon. Ang mag-birthday ngayon, sir. 8, sir.
Okay, I'm going to give you, bigyan din sa pamilya ninyo, ha? Asawa, ito para sa birthday ninyo, pero itong pera na ito, hindi ito pang inom, hindi ito pang, banta kayo sa akin. Suntukin ko kayo. Ibigay talaga ninyo sa asawa ninyo. Okay? Pati dito, wala na. Lahat ng January na. God damn it, make a count. And I will, 50,000 rin. Si Senator Bongo, maraming
wala man sila relo.
Kung
Nag-andam na lang sila na 3,000 plus relo. Each na birthday ko. Dagan man sila.
yung birthday ngayon,
Lahat, kaya na ito.
Sina?
Yes, sir.
Pero, i-humble yung 50,000. I'll give you 50,000 each. Ito, ibigay ko lang sa inyo para may mandala kayo. Birthday gift ko sa inyo. Yan, hindi yan sa girlfriend ha. Hindi pang girlfriend yan. Ganin nyo sa anak ninyo kung ayaw ninyo.
China. China yung mga hindi awardee, Hindi mo hindi awardee para meron matatanggap sila lahat.
Ibalik mo. Bakit mo kinuha yan?
Kasi may natagaan yan.
Mapatay ka ng kung ni... Advance lang yan, advance. Yung awardees. Okay, ganito na lang. Give me a listing that I'll try to send the money tonight or tomorrow. Pinaka-latest is tomorrow. 50,000 for those who were born in the month of January. Pakire, kasi nag-ano na kayo, raise your right hand, yung pinanganak January.
Count mo na lang mga pagkuha ng listahan.
Si Mark na lang para malaman natin. You raise your right hands. Pare, ikaw, Timar. Wala itong speech. Sige kay ganyan po. Wala yan. Speech na yan. I-gift na lang natin, mas mabuti pa. I'll send you the 50,000 by Wednesday. Okay. The latest be Wednesday. Wednesday. Tapusin ko ba itong speech o pira-pirahin na lang natin ito? Hindi, just to honor para lang naman sa namatay ng mga sundalo. I will read my speech. Such heroism was in full display during the Marawi operations. The 103 officers and 1,800 enlisted personnel who joined our all-out offensive against the enemy successfully regained the Mapandi, Bangolo, and Mashu bridges and recovered more than 80 million pesos of cash and checks. It does mali ito. It does that we confer the order of Lapu-Lapu with the rank of Kampilan and Kamagi to our valiant soldiers of liberating Marawi from the lawless elements. I hope that this honor, all of you will be inspired to continue to embody strength, fortitude, and resilience, and ensuring lasting peace in our homeland. Once again, I acknowledge the Philippine Marine Corps for its invaluable contribution and accomplishment in the areas of internal security operations, maritime security patrol, and interdiction. I urge you to continue working with this administration not only in promotion of peace and order, but also humanitarian and disaster response in times of natural and man-made disaster. To our Marines, I assure you that this administration will continue to boost the morale, efficiency, and the responsiveness of our uniformed personnel through modernization, capacity building, and other meritorious initiatives. Since 2018, we have been fast-tracking the acquisition of vessels, aircraft, trucks, drones, and other equipment as part of the more than 283 billion pesos worth of projects under the second horizon of the revised AAP modernization program. We hope that by 2020, we would have capacitated the Marine Corps with the light armor system upgrade, squad rocket launchers, and force protection equipment in order to keep our forces at par with their foreign correspondents. I am also proud to announce that I will be handing the Glock pistols, Rock Island caliber 45, 50 caliber sniper rifles, and 5W VHF handheld radios and repeater systems in your operating units. It is my hope that through this advanced weaponry, you may efficiently protect our democratic institutions and uphold the rule of law. Together, let us safeguard our communities in pursuit of a more peaceful and secure nation. Umaasa talaga ako sa iyo. Not for me. I am not asking any loyalty. All of us, we remain loyal to the flag. And we should, under that flag is the written Constitution. We will follow the Constitution. And hindi tayo do not believe in itong mga revolutionary. Yan, an extreme na kung talaga ang Pilipino wala ng pag-asa. At kung may pag-asa pa, may kunting there's a light at the end of the tunnel, we would continue to observe obedience to the Constitution. Ako naman, sabi ko, lalo na yung nasugatan, do not be afraid. I will take care of you. And I will leave you, kung matapos na yan, yung lupa nila ninyo na malaki, hindi naman ninyo kailangan ganong kalaking lupa eh. So, Dominguez, by the way, yung ating Secretary of Finance, ang father-in-law niyan si Andros Erbes. Kaya he knows also ano ang sentimento ng soldado. Kukunin namin ng malaking parte dyan. Ibigay namin sa inyo. Gusto ko idiretso sa inyo, pero si Dominguez, ang Secretary of Finance, ayaw niya. Gusto niya na mag-create ng extension sa GSIS. Tapos doon ilagay yung pera para yun ang operate. Billion yan. If you let it on lease, billion yan. It will give you money. At malaman ninyo na ang Viluna, it's 50 million a month. Ang AFP, 50 million a month. Kaya wala talaga kayong sa pagkukulang ng medisina. Kasi nung right after Marawi, nagbigay ako kay Macario 500 million just to ayawan ko kung alam ninyo yan. Dapat malaman ninyo. Yung 500 million, yun yung to take care of the soldiers after the Marawi. Kung naglagay ako ng pera dyan. Kung gusto niyo kung malaman na gano'n. By the way, ang model kagabi ito nangyari. Di ba kasama tayo sa command conference? Hindi ko napuna eh. Ito napuna ng mga intelligence na yung radar, yung sa traffic, 950,000. Close to 1 million. Hindi natin nakita. Nandoon yung, but akala ko, yun yung the whole of the, yung paglagay ng 150. Pulis talaga. Yung, akala ko yun yung the whole gamot. Yung pala isa. So, ang tawag yung intelligence. Kasi ako sa Davao, nagbili ako ng speed gun. Si Inday. Siya nagbili, 10,000 lang ang isa. Ngayon, yung command conference natin, tangin. Kaya tinawagan ko si Secretary Anyo. Sabi ko, do not allow the police to procure. Ang opisina muna ang mag-procure. Marami namang general dyan nag-retire na mga... Okay. They are not anymore. Tinanggal ko talaga. Paski clip. Anak ng putang ng corruption.